Hey everyone, it's me. I'm still in black and white, so that's fun. I just finished grading everything that's been due up to this point, and which is mainly just the adulterous woman work, story of an hour work, and the citations. Um, I'm going to demonstrate in a moment how to fix some of your MLA formatting for your citations. But I do want to talk about real fast how after reading your adulterous woman and story of an hour analysis, all right, your work, I've come to the conclusion that I think that some people are not watching the video lectures, especially and if you are, you're watching it after you've done your work, or you're watching it and you're just not really applying what I discuss in those videos to your work. A lot of people wrote things in their analysis that about the adulterous woman that uh, did not match what I modeled in my lecture. Now, some people, I'm always open for a differing interpretation, but there were plenty of times when I didn't feel like you disagreed with me. It just seemed like you were just sort of uh, guessing, or you weren't even thinking about what I had discussed. Okay, like I got like people talking about the word copiously as being sad, as being upsetting, and it's like, well, I discussed very specifically how what the word copiously meant in terms of the story. People had different thoughts on what the desert meant, and about their marriage and different things that didn't fit with what I discussed in my analysis video, which again is I'm open to alternative interpretations if they're supported by discussion and explanation. Okay, um, but when I read alternative interpretations and it feels like you have that interpretation simply because you did not watch the things that I put out there, then I feel like you're not really doing all the things I'm asking you to do. Okay? So when I post video lectures, while yes, there is no grade saying you watched it, you get an A for that assignment, all right? Uh, it is expected that whatever I mention in those videos, that you know that information, okay? And that information comes out through your writing. So just want to say that. All right, so now I want to show you how some people submitted some citations that were incorrect. I've changed the name on these examples, okay? So these are not real people in the class. Okay, AJ Green. AJ Green submitted this, okay? All right, and so there's some problems with this, that he received low points. First off, there's no header at the very top with his last name and page number. So I'm going to go to insert page number right here, top of the page. Now the template that I posted already had that up there for you. So all you had to do was open it up, click on it, and type your name into it. Okay. All right. Second off, it feels like there's too much space between these lines. Once again, if you downloaded the document that I'd uploaded, then you wouldn't have to adjust any of that stuff. But if you make it yourself, then there's room for error. So let's go to paragraph. Okay, now look, see this spacing? This says after 8 points. We don't want that to be after. We want that to be 0. Line spacing. Click double. Okay, see now it closed up some of that extra space in between. All right, English. Okay, there we go. That's centered. Cool. Now look, all these are centered. They shouldn't be centered. They should be aligned to the left, like that. And you see how there's like extra space between here? We don't need that. No extra spaces. Okay, so now that is the works cited page for this one. So I fixed that one. Audrey. Once again, not a real person. Audrey used the link that I sent. Okay, EasyBib, which is fine. Problem though is that Audrey did not fix the highlighting. When she copy and pasted the EasyBib, she left them still highlighted. That's not appropriate. Can't do that. So we go here, okay, and there's a little button right here that just says clear all formatting. You can click that if you want. All right, and so I'm gonna put this back there. Okay, CTW. All right, I'm gonna make sure that I got my formatting, my spacing correct. So I'm gonna go to paragraph. Okay, before 0, after 0, line spacing, double. Okay, I'm going to make sure it's all the same font, Times New Roman. Okay, all the same. Look, if it's blank in the boxes, that means like up here, if this is blank, that means that you have that not everything on your page is of the same font. So I need to fix that. So I'm gonna put 12. Cool. Okay, something's wrong here with this. There's too much space in that header. See? Okay. All right. Now we gotta fix the lines. If I go to the second line, hit tab, the whole thing goes over. So I need to go, look, I need to go over to the end of the first line of my citation. And then I'm going to hit the tab button. And it tabs it over. I need to get this line also tabbed over, indented. So I'm going to go to the line before, go to the very end of the line, and I'm going to hit tab. See? Now it scoots it over. Same thing with this citation. The second and third lines of a citation need to be indented. Well, once again, if I go to that line and hit tab, it indents the entire citation. That's wrong. So I need to go to the end of the first line, hit tab, and it indents the second line. I go to the end of the second line, I hit the button tab, and it indents the third line. Same thing with this citation. Go to the end of the line, hit tab, go to the end of here, hit tab, end of here, hit tab. All right, now this is cited correct, is set up correctly. All right, let's look at our last example. Joseph Conrad. Okay. So again, we got a bunch of different fonts. We have different sizes. When I select all, I select all, see look how this is blank up here and this is blank up here. That means that there's more than one type of font in this document, and there's more than one type of size of font in this document. So I'm gonna make them the same. I'm gonna click 12. Now everything that's highlighted is 12. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna put everything Times New Roman. Now everything is good like that. Next, I'm going to check the paragraph, line indentions. All right, I'm gonna put 0 before, 0 after, line spacing double. Okay, get rid of this extra space between them. Also, my citations are supposed to be alphabetical by the last name, so I need to move Smith down here. So it's CGS. Also, I need to use capital letters. So capital G, capital K, capital S, capital T. Okay? Now, this is ready to go. Now, went to our main page, went under lessons, and lesson 1, which is where this activity was placed. Right here, I have posted MLA formatting. Okay, MLA formatting. And then I have right here example of library research assignment, MLA with an MLA formatting. If you had clicked on this, then you could have, see this right here was the example that I did for all of you. Okay, and so what you could have done is just replaced all of my information with your information, and it was already kind of formatted for you. Or you could have gone to just this MLA formatting page. Open. And right here, and it's already the formatting's already there for you. So you didn't really have to change anything. Okay, I just wanted to show some of those things for you, get you to understand why you maybe have received some of the grades that you did. If y'all have any questions, email me and let me know. See y'all later. Bye-bye.